Hello everyone, my name is James and welcome to Shard TCG, and today we're doing something a little bit different. So instead of making my usual 2D drawings on pieces of card, I've went for 3D. I've went for 3D voxel drawings. Today we're taking a look at the Sandbox. It's this new game that's coming out. It's been in development for a long time and I wanted to bring Shard TCG to this game. Shard TCG is an invasive species and it will occupy the Sandbox. Oh yes, and I'm starting off with the Demifrit, one of our favourites. I'm sure lots of people will recognise it. I'll be putting the card up on the screen right now just so you can compare. I think it's a good comparison. I've never used this program before, but just today I've just been having a little go and I have made one Shard TCG imp to enter the Sandbox. Oh yes. So we'll take a look at this. I'll just explain what animations I've got ready for it. So this is the Demifrit, and this is the Demifrit idle animation. For people who don't know, the Demifrit is a little fire imp that we have in Shard TCG. So like I said, this is just these idle animation, but we also have, I made a run animation. He looks very angry there. He's really having a good go for it. Look, he's got little wiggly legs there. So yeah, that's his like little run animation. Look at this little wiggly tail. Put some effort into that, you know. Give me a like for that wiggly tail. Alright, and next we got the get hit animation. Oh man. Refocus. There we go. So he's bang, gets hit. There we go. Tail. Oh, tail's quite stiff in that. I'll fix that later on. I haven't noticed that. So yeah, tail very stiff for that one. And then we've got the attack animation. Look at him go. Like I said, I am still used to this, so I'm just learning as we go, and hopefully we can do some range attacks. Right now I only know to do melee attacks, but just attaching a little fireball to the end of that would be a lot of fun. And I think that's all the animations for now. I need a death animation, but right now he kind of just explodes, which is very imp-like anyway, so the death animation isn't really too terrible, you know, it's not jarring. So, yes, the Demifrit, he is in Shard TCG. So if other people want to have a go at making Shard creatures and assets, then this is on the Vox creator for the Sandbox. Download that, it's free. And then just mess around, have fun as you learn the program, and you never know. You can make yourself a Craxid, an Ent, an Ignibus, or something else completely unrelated to Shard. It's all up to you, so just have fun. Okay, so now we're going to go to the Sandbox, and I'm just going to show you the Demifrit, right? We're going to do a little test of it. Okay, here we are, right? I click play, and here's me, right? Oh, and there's a couple of Demifrits. Oh. Look at them go, right? So they follow, they hunt you down, they want to attack me. I'll just block. Was that the right animation? No, they still do the harm animation. See, I've re-uploaded it once I added the new animation, but I don't think it's quite updated yet, which is a shame. Oh, and what's this? They dropped some shards. They dropped some shards. How'd they do that? Oh, it's like I planned it all. Yeah, so I also made these little shard models. I wasn't expecting them to fall over like that. That's just kind of a shame that they topple. They are supposed to be little floating things. I don't know why they do that, but the animation is correct for even if it is just a few seconds. Okay, for the people out there who are new to Shard TCG, they might not know what the shards actually mean. The shards are the soul shards from creatures. So I just thought it was a fun idea to make a creature and have it drop a soul shard in this game. So I don't know if many people who are a fan of Shard TCG will be playing the Sandbox, but we will be wanting to add just a few creatures to this just for the fun of it. And we'll see, you never know, it might grow into a beautiful partnership where we have the Shard creatures in here, as well as Lycanites mobs with the Minecraft. I'm sure once Richard gets a look at this, he might be wanting to make a little bit of a conversion over, start duplicating some creatures. Now I know that's not in Lycanite's plans, but you never know. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And if you're interested in the Sandbox thing, if I can get them all uploaded with the right animations, come on and collect some shards. Until next time, goodbye.